Timothy Kelly, Imperial Valley Economic Development Corporation, and I've been working with GSLI for about 10 years. I joined the organization because we needed more outreach in our marketing efforts and wanted to streamline our process and to be able to attract new industries to our region. And what I like best about the organization is the staff. We work very close with them. There's a lot of programs that GSLI has to help us put our marketing programs together. Trade shows are a big benefit for us. We can't be at everyone, so GSLI either works with us at trade shows or they attend on our behalf. And so that's really does help in our cost for our organization. I would definitely recommend GSLI. The organization is very cost effective in the amount of return on investment pertaining to the reach that we have for our marketing and attracting. And the other programs that they have really helped us get noticed, not only nationally but internationally. And I have attended some events internationally with GSLI, and it's been really helpful for the upfront work that they've done and setting everything up for us and then helping me and my staff to attend.